GIVI tank bag made of polyester, 6 liters capacity. Right now I have it fully packed. I'm going to show you in a while what I have inside. Check it out. Here is my mobile, which is does not stop ringing all day. This is how it looks. Here you can put straps so you can adjust it on your motorcycle. Here are the magnetics. I'm gonna show you how they work. Small pocket, transparent pocket for the mobile. Here you can grab it, and here you can put a strap. Let's open. Here is the case for the mobile. Mine is quite big. It cannot fully close, but you can see. Let me open my monitor. It's like this. You can see clear. Okay. In here I have a very light jacket, no sleeves, so whenever I feel a little bit chilly, I can wear it. Okay. And here a waterproof, not 100% waterproof, light waterproof jacket for the motorcycle. Okay, I'm showing you this stuff so you can understand what you can put inside this small bag. And this was it. Okay, it's made of polyester. It's not waterproof. Okay, black inside. And in the small pocket in the front, it has more space. I have small gloves and a balaclava. This is how it looks. It has also this grip for your keys. I'm going to close it. Okay. Empty now, with no stuff inside. And these are magnetic. Here it is metallic. Let me show you. Okay. So you see, magnet, magnet. This happens also to your tank bag, which is made of metal. And this way you can secure it. In the back, from this side, it's a leather look. The feel. I like the quality of the zippers. Here you can see. Really easy, open and close. This is how it is. And here it has, as I told you before, for the straps, to adjust it on the motorcycle. And here, when you want to carry, it has a flip scratch, so you do like this, and this doesn't open. You have to do this move to open it. I used to use it on Honda CRF 250L, but it's compatible with so many motorcycles. Because to this motorcycle, to Honda CRF 250L, there is no other space in the motorcycle to put your stuff. So this was totally necessary to have it. So I can have also a bottle of water. Okay, let's say I don't want to take any jackets with me. I can put 2 bottles of water, 1 snack, close it, take it with me, go for a mountain trip, and then come back again. It's very good for this case. As I told you before, it is 6 liters, quite small, magnetic here, and made of polyester. Thank you for watching the video.